Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp forms to capture client requirements, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to create your form. On the left sidebar, click on Docs. Select Forms from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Form button to start a new form. Give your form a descriptive title that reflects its purpose. Add a description to help clients understand what information is needed. Utilize the drag and drop feature to add fields for client requirements. Choose from various field types, including text, multiple choice, and checkboxes. Configure each field by clicking on it and providing necessary details. Make certain fields required to ensure crucial information is captured. Arrange the order of fields to suit the flow of information. Once you are satisfied with the form layout, click on the Settings icon. Review the settings to customize notifications and form behavior. Toggle on email notifications to receive alerts when a form is submitted. Set up an automation to create tasks in ClickUp based on form submissions. Navigate to the Automations tab within ClickUp. Select Create Automation and choose a trigger related to form submissions. Specify the action you want to occur, such as creating a new task. Map the relevant form fields to the task properties for easy organization. After configuring the automation, click Save to finalize your setup. Copy the form link to share with your clients. Embed the form on your website or share via email for broader reach. Monitor incoming submissions through ClickUp's dashboard. Review the responses regularly to gather insightful client requirements. Utilize the data collected to enhance your project planning and execution process. Make adjustments to the form as needed based on feedback and changing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.